What is this? Is it Mugdo? Why is he here? Ah, it's look interesting. Why? All of a sudden I going to this place and I saw a screen and I saw Mugdo in here. Look at this place. And he said that you will see me on the screen.
Hey, welcome to Hey, welcome back to Himantri Hindu channel.
I say.
His channel by I just named.
Hello, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Himu and this is
Bogsu Talukdar.
and we started a series.
This page is like
We started a series.
it's like a disco. I just interrupt his always.
And we started a series that name is
They know.
English Speaking Challenge, and we like you did something like that, walking, talking, talking.
And we want to visit today a fair. Go with us.
We'll talk like raw English. There will be no filter. You will see that, and you give.
We want to talk some entrepreneur in English, and they will be shocked.
They might kick us. No problem. Mugdo is late, and I did some shopping, and I didn't shoot there, and I was like,
He is very upset today. Oh, it's called lift, you know?
We are inside the elevator. It's called
Okay.
elevator. Elevator. Our English is not that good, but it's being and good. If we speak, it will be good. Yes?
Yeah.
Is it right?
Yes, brother.
Yes. Let's what? Let's start the video. Do you wanna feed me something? What do you wanna feed me something?
It's too much expensive.
There is so much people over there, and we can't able to talk and like do vlog. There is lots of ladies thing here.
Fair means the ladies things are
Ladies
always.
and household things. We don't have space to like go. People are crazy
Our motto
here.
is walking and talking. We can't go walking like this.
We did something stupid.
Yeah,
there.
We just
That-
acting like a noob.
Nope. We are not professional actor, you know.
I am.
You're professional actor. You like act
But don't-
in a song.
Don't anyone.
You acted in a song.
Yeah.
Yes, I will give you the link in card. Hey bro, it's a darker place, bit of darker place, but we like
We live in that place.
we don't bring a flashlight with us.
You need flashlight?
You know that no. Don't need. It's a natural thing. That's good. We just went.
I just show we have it.
We just went from Mela, that is called. It's called in English fair.
Uddukta Mela something.
It's Uddukta Mela, and we did some stupid thing, like
We did something. I can something much better, but my performance
you
was.
could
Yeah.
you could do something stupid
More than what I did.
what you did, but you didn't. Oh, I did, but I felt like shy in
He
front of
just
camera.
high. I just acting like a smiling or sad face.
In that Mela, like there is a lots of jewelry of like women,
Jewelry, sari,
shari,
and other beautiful
and
things.
household things.
Cosmetics.
It's getting darker, bro. There is no light. There's
Look at
no
the
problem.
video.
No,
They can't see us.
No problem. You see from your mind.
It's not a blue film, brother.
We have a mind connection. You can see from your mind.
How the
You know,
audience see us?
they don't need to see us. They have connection.
Okay.
Some sort of connection
What
in
kind of connection?
our,
What
our
are you
mind.
talking about?
It's a neural. It's not a neural.
Are you in relationship in
No, no, no.
with
It's-
your audience?
Yes, I am. You know, I did some mistake previous video. It said whenever Mugdha like talking something, and after finishing his talk, I repeat that things up. That is my mistake. Some mistakes. I told like several times, not several times. Frequently, I say like and like.
What is my
uh,
wrong things you can catch this?
you are a bit of like you have a clarity, voice clarity or other thing, but you make some grammatical mistake and
I did always.
yes, and I did also other thing like I say and so many times. I just whenever I started to edit, I realized that things up. And we
the
have
fragrance
to
of kebab.
we have to get rid of these things, and now we doing these things and we fix our past mistakes, you know that.
Yeah.
Today is like a rainy day or
Not
whole
today,
day
the-
whole day.
The recent 2 and 3
previous.
days are
Yes.
constantly raining.
Over here, and everywhere is mud and ladder, you know.
I don't like wet weather, you know.
You know, we are the
But
people like
it's cool
we get
weather.
we get
and-
outside for
Yeah.
like speaking, talking,
Speaking.
and other stuff for this kind of stuff. Look at this. You can give us a feedback.
Subscriber will know how we suffered and afford this
Effort for this content.
this content, and it makes us so
Proud. It makes us so proud.
yeah,
to be.
it's a proud thing, but we have to clarity, we have to voice clarity, we have to clear cut talking.
You know, we are about to fulfill 1/4 of 1K subscriber.
Okay.
We are close to 250 subscriber.
Okay.
Yes,
Maybe this content will bring you the
Bring-
subscribers.
Bring to subscriber and make 1/4 and make it day by day and 500
And he will be celebrated with
750.
cut a cake.
Cut a cake.
Yeah.
Did I just repeat your thing? You
Yeah.
just you talk. Yeah, I have to get rid of. I'm noticing this
He
thing.
always try to correct me. It's a good thing. I also lie like this because my English not that much
That
correct.
correct. But
And I just trying to be rid of my
Get rid
previous,
of.
previous something, my wrong things. And I will-
we are like fixing the thing.
Fixing the thing,
What we
yeah.
did mistake, we fixing the thing. Like we don't have anything, and we do like doing this stuff. We are improving. It's a raw thing, you know. You know that it is not scripted. It's a raw thing.
Brother,
What?
in the pair, we thought that we will shoot there, but our confidence level isn't that much.
That much.
That much. We can't talk with them.
With them.
There is
But-
also food corner. You know, guys. There is
Oh,
also food
my-
corner.
I feel
They used to cook their home and bring the fare.
I feel pain on my hand. You have to grab the phone.
Yeah. Himu's hand is getting pain, and I am free. That's
my
why
hand,
I
feel
grab the
pain
mobile.
on my hand. So that is it for today.
We are
And
now in the park.
park, and it's called DSP Lohmasagar Park, and we are
Every
at
time we
there.
usually go here,
Usually came here.
and spend our free time. I have my all time is free. you know. I have nothing to do, just to shoot a video.
But you did a job.
Yeah, I
to
did
please
something.
look at this moon.
The moon.
It's
I
beautiful,
just-
isn't it? It doesn't look beautiful there,
We
but
are just two star, and there are one moon. Scenery is beautiful.
yesterday or 2 days ago, there is a full moon.
There is full moon. The last night is a full moon.
Last night was full moon. So that
We
is
need
it for
we need
today.
to say you tata.
Formal goodbye.
Yeah.
Yes, and share your opinion at the comment section, and give us a
Use your
feedback.
slang dictionary and give us
Feedback,
feedback.
and most important thing, subscribe us.
Oh, subscribe. Yes.
Thank you.